So I want to talk a little bit about chlorinating your swimming pool. And that's a topic for discussion that this is a little educational blurb on that. So every swimming pool needs a residual amount of chlorine. There's 3 different ways to handle that. And I'm going to go into those 3 different ways right now. The easiest way is what all the pool service companies do, and that's with the 3-inch stabilized chlorinating tablets. So most of our swimming pools will have a way at the equipment to dispense those tablets, or you can have a floater in your pool. Unfortunately, that's not the best way. So that's a fail-safe way that the pool service companies have, that they'll come once a week, and you have the stabilized chlorine tablets, which has chlorine and cyanuric acid to combine that chlorine. And it's just not a great way to chlorinate your pool, but it's kind of the fail-safe. It's the industry standard. There's a couple better ways. The first way is using free chlorine, and that is just liquid chlorine. So you keep your cyanuric acid levels low, you keep your proper amount of chlorine in the pool using liquid chlorine, but unfortunately you have to do that almost daily during the summertime, maybe every other day, and maybe once a week in the wintertime when chlorine demands aren't as high. But liquid chlorine is by far the best way to chlorinate your pool. Now, do you find yourself not wanting to chlorinate your pool using liquid chlorine on a daily or every other day basis? We do have systems that automatically dispense this liquid chlorine for you. Systems like the Intellichem system by Pentair that will sense the chlorine levels in the water. It will automatically make up that chlorine level using an automated dispenser. We can handle the pH the same way with an automated dispensing acid tank. So if you want a little bit more information about our Intellichem system, it can be added to any pool at any time. So if it didn't get in the initial installation, just give us a call. And finally, one of the most simple ways to chlorinate your pool has been around for over 20 years, and that's a salt pool. Saltwater pools produce their own chlorine. They produce them on a daily basis so that you don't have to add chlorine. However, there are some drawbacks to salt. Salt can cause damage to patios. Salt is corrosive. It can cause damage to pool equipment and some of the metal parts in your pool, like pumps, bands, O-rings, clamps, things like anything that's metal can have an adverse reaction to salt. So talk to us, see if salt is the right way to go for chlorinating your pool, and we're happy to help. Salt can be added to any pool at any time, so don't worry if we didn't get salt in your initial installation, we can add it, no problem.